What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this high bun tutorial, so if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm starting off on very crusty hair. Please don't judge me. I did this style a few days ago and now I'm just recording it. But I'm going to mist the perimeter of my hair with a little bit of water. And I find that doing this first really allows me to move my hair a lot better, but also ensure max smoothness, which is what I love for these styles in particular. You can apply a little bit of conditioner on top of that water if you need a safety barrier in between your gel. I didn't do one for this look, but of course, if you feel more comfortable doing that, you're more than welcome to do that. I am going to use a soft bristle brush to smooth my hair into place. Not only am I smoothing the hair at this point, but I'm also positioning my hair for where I want the bun to sit, if that makes sense. I am going to be using the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. Eco hasn't failed me, so I'm still using it. So I'm going to apply that to the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm just going to smooth that into place, also using that soft bristle brush. Now that our hair is super smooth and sleek, we are ready to put it into the ponytail holder. So I believe these are from Gawd, and I really like these because they're super tight and really hold the ponytail into place. So I kid you not, once you put this on your hair, that hair is not moving, and that is very important, especially for a style like this. But I definitely wanted to note the fact that I'm able to do a ponytail at this point in time is just really insane to me. I seriously need a haircut. So I'm just going to finish up some last minute smoothing and put the hair into the ponytail holder, and then we'll begin the next steps. Y'all, I'm really dead at this little ponytail right now. It's so cute though. But I am going to be using my Kinkistry clip-ins. These are in the style Kurlgenics. These are the 18 and 20 inch clip-ins. So I'm going to begin securing those clip-ins into place at the base of the ponytail holder using hairpins. I suggest hairpins for this because I feel that hairpins are less bulky and you can use a lot more than you would be able to with bobby pins. So I'm going to be applying those clips or adding those clips in an upside down kind of motion versus the traditional sense of applying clip-ins. Because we are going to be creating an upward or an updo, it's best that we apply the clip-ins in this motion so that we're able to style our bun properly. So like I said, I am going to be using hairpins to secure these clip-ins into place. I did use 4 clip-ins or sets of clip-ins for this style. So I used 2 of which have 4 clip-ins because those are really long and I really want to make sure that I have enough hair going around the ponytail holder itself. And then I used 2 different sets or 2 wefts that had 3 clip-ins apiece, and I used one in the front of my hair and one at the back just for a little more volume and fullness for the bun. Now that we have all of our clip-ins in, I'm going to begin styling my bun. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to separate that hair into 2 different sections. One section I'm just going to wrap around the base to start forming the bun. And you want to make sure that while you're doing this, you're very careful and you are going to tuck the ends of the hair in. I'm also going to be using hairpins to secure this into place so that nothing is going to move. I find, like I said, that using hairpins for this portion of the styling is a lot easier and a lot more effective than trying to use bobby pins. So I'm just going to begin pinning that bun into place, and as I get closer to the ends of the hair, I'm going to begin tucking those and also pinning those so they're not sticking out. For the second half of the hair, I am going to bring that over the top, partly because I do have to cover my natural hair. So if you do have any natural hair sticking out, you want to make sure that you are going to cover that properly using the hair from the clip-ins. And I'm also just going to pin those into place using more hairpins and tucking the ends as I go along. Alright guys, so I'm going to do some last minute touch-ups. Any hairs that might have come out of place while I was adding in my clip-ins, I'm just going to lay down with that really small brush that I use for my edges and some Eco Styler gel. Of course, don't forget to do your edge art. Mine was previously done. Like I said, I did this style a few days ago. But I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.